Sairam, am I audible?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, join your hands, close your eyes, start chanting Omkaram. Sairam. Now, Chinmay.
Ma'am.
So, the first student who has, I told you to join your hands and close your eyes. The first student who has to recite the poem is without saying. Yatarth Gujar.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is Yatarth? Left the meeting. Now recite the poem. And you have to, first of all, you have to recite the poem. Later on, you have to explain me the poem. Be fast.
Things at the robin, things at the jet. In things at the robin,
Sitting in the garden.
sitting in the garden, talking, talking one day. Think about people,
Hmm.
think about people, the they way grow. They don't,
Hmm.
they don't have feathers.
Chinmay,
It
sit down.
all at all no, at all the no.
Hmm.
Don't
Hmm.
they don't
At all,
grow
you know.
that
They don't eat beetle.
they don't eat
They
beetle.
don't grow in.
They don't grow wings. They don't like on wires on things. Things at the robin, things at the jet, hunter,
Aren't people funny?
aren't people funny
To be that way,
to be that
you
way?
have not learned
In
the
the garden.
poem properly. You might have learned the poem properly with proper expression. Now, Yagyamina.
Yes, ma'am. Things
Yagya,
at robin,
recite the poem.
things at the robin, things at the gem. Sitting in the garden, taking one day. Think about people, the
Talking. It is not talking one day.
talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers. They don't have feathers at all. You now. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow
No.
wings.
Wings.
They don't like sitting on walls.
Chinmay, don't play.
Things at the robin.
Ankitji, Sairam
The,
Ankitji.
things at the robin. Things at the jet. Are not people funny to be that way?
अंकित जी आपने स्क्रीन प्रेजेंट कर दिया है आप स्क्रीन शेयर करना बंद कीजिए अंकित अंकित आफ्टर यज्ञ उत्कर्ष चौक से उत्कर्ष चौक से।
Yes, ma'am.
Recite the poem. Be fast.
Thinks at the robin, thinks at the joy, sitting in the garden, talking one
कितना
day.
जाए कुछ है।
Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all. You know. They don't eat flesh. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Things at the robin, things at the joy, and
It is not joy. Okay.
are not people funny to be that way?
Aren't people funny? Unmukt cassette.
Yes, ma'am.
Unmukt cassette.
Yes, ma'am.
उत्कर्ष चौक से mute yourself. Recite the poem.
Things at the robin, things at the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people, they grow, they don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles.
You are looking at the textbook.
They don't.
Yes, recite the poem. Be fast. Don't look down.
They don't eat
They
beetles.
don't eat.
They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't. They don't.
Don't look down.
They don't like sitting on wires and things. Things at the robin,
Nice.
things at the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way?
To be that way. Okay. After Utkarsh, Shivan Saxena. Shivan Saxena left the meeting. Siddhi Sahu.
Ma'am, Athar Bhargav. Yes, ma'am.
Wait, Athar. Shivan, recite the poem.
मैम एक्चुअली मम्मा का एक कॉल आया था तो अभी मैंने कहा था उसमें एक्चुअली कॉल आया।
अभी मैं वो नहीं बेटा, मैं आपसे एक्सप्लेन बेटा जी आपको। ओके ठीक है, ठीक है। आप कविता सुनाना चाह रहे हैं? सिद्धि, सिद्धि।
यस मैम।
समर्थ शर्मा। सिद्धि, रिसाइट द पोम।
Things at the robin, things at the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people.
Think about people.
People, the way they grow, They don't have
The way they grow.
the way grow. They don't have feathers at all. You
All you know.
no don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on
Wires
wires and things
and things.
and things.
You are looking and reciting. You are not supposed to look and recite. I told you without saying you have to recite. No, you haven't learned the poem. Next, Samar Sharma.
Yes, ma'am.
Recite the poem. Open your camera. Recite the poem.
Things at the robin, things at the day, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people,
Very good.
think the way they grow.
Don't look at the textbook.
They don't have feathers at all, you know.
Hmm.
They don't
They don't eat wheat.
dull, they don't grow wings, they don't
Hmm.
like sitting on wires and things. Things at the robin,
Wires and
the
things.
they aren't people funny to be that way.
Aren't people funny? Very good. Now next, Sanvi.
Yes,
Sanvi,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
recite the poem. Recite the poem.
But think, think about things at the robin, things at the tree, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. Don't like sit in wires and things. Things at the robin, things at the jay. Aren't people to be that funny?
Aren't people funny?
Aren't people funny to be that way?
Aren't people? Okay, Purti. Purti,
Yes, ma'am.
recite the poem. Open your camera.
Things at the robin, things at the jay. Sitting on the garden.
Sitting in the garden.
Sitting in the garden.
Talking one day.
Talking one day. Think about people.
Hmm. The way they grow.
The way they grow. King.
You haven't prepared the poem. You prepared it very nicely. Tomorrow,
Okay,
once
ma'am.
again, I'm going to listen. Mukund,
Okay, ma'am.
Mukund,
Yes, ma'am.
recite the poem. Recite the poem.
Things at the robin, things at the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Things at the robin, things at the day. Are people funny to be that way?
Okay. After Mukund, Mohitanshini Bunkar. And rest of the students be ready for your dictation. Mohitanshini,
Yes, ma'am. Things at the robin,
recite
things
the
at
poem.
the things at the
Open your
robin.
camera. Very good.
Ma'am, my
Yes,
camera.
yes, I can see you better. Yes.
Things at the robin, things at the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about pupil, the way they grow. They don't have feathers that at all, you know. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and think. Things at the robin, things at the
Something.
jay, aren't people funny to be that way? Thank you.
Aren't people funny? Aren't people funny?
Aren't people funny to be that way? Thank you.
Lakhan Sahu.
Yes,
Lakhan
ma'am.
Sahu,
Yes, ma'am.
recite the poem. Open your camera, beta. Open your camera. Yes, recite the poem.
They fight the robin, they fight the jay, sitting in the garden till one day. They old people, they
It is
wait
not
the
talking, it
old
is talking one day. Talking.
day. They old people, they don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat better, they don't grow wings, they don't like sitting on wires and they aren't
Things. Kushagra.
Yes, ma'am.
Kushagra.
Yes, ma'am.
Recite,
मैम
start reciting the poem. Start
मैम
reciting the poem.
मैम मैं एब्सेंट था कल मैं अपने नानी के यहाँ आया हूँ
तो आपने तैयारी नहीं की?
नो मैम मैं एब्सेंट था इसलिए
क्यों? तो आपको तैयारी करके आनी चाहिए थी। काव्योद्दीन, काव्योद्दीन।
यस मैम Things at the
Now
robin, things
recite
at
the
the
poem.
jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all.
They don't have.
They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting and on wires and things. Things at the robin, things at the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Ma'am.
Okay, next.
मैम
कुशाग्र mute yourself बेटा। अभी
मैम हम याद करके
जीविका।
कल सुना देंगे यस मैम
ठीक है बेटा, ओके। जीविका, हाँ, recite the poem.
Things at the robin, things at the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things at the robin, things at the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Thank you and Sairam.
हार्दिका वास्त्री, हार्दिका वास्त्री।
Yes. Things
हाँ,
at the
recite the
robin,
poem.
things at the robin, things at the jay, sitting in the garden talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. and they don't like sitting on wires and things. Things at the Robin, things at the J. Aren't people funny to be that way?
Aren't
Ma'am,
people funny? Aren't.
ma'am,
Next, Dhैर्य Banchal. Yes.
मैम मैम आपने बोला था कि हिंदी में भी एक्सप्लेन करना है।
हाँ, अभी एक्सप्लेन मैं करवाऊंगी, रुकिए। धैर्य बांचल लेफ्ट द मीटिंग। देवांशी
मैम अथर भार्गव
देवांशी जैन
yes
recite the
मैम अथर Robin thinks at the J sitting in the garden talking one day think about the people they will grow they don't have feathers at all they don't eat beetles they don't grow wings they don't like sitting on wires and things at the Robin things at the J aren't people funny to be that way?
Okay. Next, Athar Bhargav.
Yes, ma'am. Birds talk.
Recite the poem. Hmm.
Things at the Robin, things at the J. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Things at the Robin, things at the J. Aren't people funny to be that way? Sairam.
Okay. Okay. Now, next chance. Just be ready for your dictation. Be ready for your dictation. The first word. Write dictation and you have to send it on the class WhatsApp group. Be fast. उन्मुक्त कासर, बिल्कुल रोना नहीं है। अभी आपको मैं टाइम दे रही हूँ, पेंसिल लेकर के बैठने के लिए बोला था मैंने, पेंसिल और कॉपी। बी फास्ट, 1 2 and 3। द फर्स्ट वर्ड इज जीविका। ओपन योर कैमरा। जीविका।
मैम मैं पेंसिल अपनी टेबल पे भूल गई, मैं 2 मिनट्स में आ
सारे बच्चे कैमरा ऑन करके बैठेंगे। जो कैमरा ऑफ करके बैठा है मैं उसको बाहर कर दूंगी फिर।
मैम ओनली 2 मिनट्स में पेंसिल लेकर
द फर्स्ट वर्ड, आर यू ऑल रेडी? Are you all ready? Alina,
Yes,
are you
ma'am.
ready? Okay. Just start the first word. The first word is sparrow. 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 The first word is sparrow. Sparrow.
First word.
Sparrow.
Ma'am, second word.
No need to just be quiet. I'm going to tell the second word, third word. Just wait. Don't unmute yourself. The first word is sparrow. You have to write in beautiful handwriting. Otherwise, I'm not going to check it. Sparrow. After that, the next word is ostrich. 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 Peacock. 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 After peacock, the next word is crow. 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 Pigeon. 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 Dove. 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 Dove.
Ma'am, dog या
Dove. 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 dove.
Okay.
After that, duck, duck, duck. उन्मुक्त कासर duck. Don't talk. Ask me. आपको जो नहीं आ रहा है समझ में आप मुझसे पूछेंगे. बोलिए.
Ma'am, after pigeon, sit down.
बेटा एक एक करके पूछिए. दोनों बच्चे एक साथ अनम्यूट मत कीजिए. मुझे नहीं सुनाई दे रहा. वैसे ही आज बहुत नेटवर्क इशू है. पहला वर्ड था डव. उसके बाद डक. डव और डक दो अलग अलग वर्ड है. डव
Okay,
भी
ma'am.
है और डक भी है. How many words you have written,
Ma'am?
Chinmay?
Seven.
7. Okay, the last word. Penguin. 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 I said you to learn bird's name. Penguin. Penguin. Now, Chinmay, can you repeat all the words? Listen once again. He is going to repeat the words. Just listen it very carefully.
Sparrow.
Read the word
Ostrich.
2 times. Read the word 2 times.
Sparrow. Sparrow. Ostrich. Ostrich. Peacock. Peacock. Crow. Crow. Pigeon. Pigeon. Dove. Dove. Duck. Duck. Penguin. Penguin.
I think so. Everybody has completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Unmukt. Unmukt, आपने लिख लिया? आपने लिखा?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
जिसने लिख लिया है वो अपना आंसर व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे शेयर कर सकता है. नेक्स्ट बच्चे, आप लोग अपना ये yesterday I told you to learn the hard words meaning. You have to write the meanings too. I am going to share the screen, and on the screen you will be able to see. Now write the meanings of these words which I have already sent you on the WhatsApp. Write the meanings without talking. Till then, let me check. I am going to ask Anish. Anish, all correct. Very good. Unmukt, first wrong, second correct, third wrong, fourth correct, fifth wrong, sixth correct, seventh correct, eighth correct. So total 1, 2, and 3 words are wrong. They are 1, first one, third one, and fifth one. Unmukt Kasir just correct it. Sanvi. Correct.
Arrow be corrected करो.
हाँ, Sanvi, your 8 words wrong, so correct it once again. कल मैंने बताया था, आपने अगर ध्यान से देखा होगा वीडियो में दिखाया था. पीकॉक, यस. हार्दिक, ऑल करेक्ट. Pepper, fifth word wrong, and eighth word wrong.
Ostrich. Ostrich.
Yatar, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth word wrong and eighth word wrong. Yatar, fifth and eighth wrong. Unmukt, mute yourself. Unmukt, mute yourself. Unmukt, माइक ऑन है आपका, प्लीज बंद कर लीजिए बेटा. उत्कर्ष चौक से. ऑल करेक्ट. चिन्मय, स्पैरो, ऑस्ट्रिच, पीकॉक, क्रो, यस, ऑल PENG. एट्थ रॉन्ग चिन्मय. हाँ सानवी, 8th रॉन्ग।
Ma'am, Alina has sand.
शिवांश, 1 2 3 4th 5th रॉन्ग। मोहितांशिनी, eighth wrong. Correct the eighth word. Alina, all correct. Who is this? Dhairya Banchal, first wrong, second wrong, third wrong, fourth correct, fifth wrong, sixth correct, seventh same repeated the word, and eighth is also wrong. Correct these words.
मिल गए आपको? मैम जीविका है।
अनिरुद्ध, मैं एक एक करके चेक करूंगी। आपको जो काम दिया गया उसको काम को कीजिए। मैं फटाफट इस काम को भी दोबारा से मंगवाना है मुझे। इसको काम को करके मुझे आगे बढ़ना है। आपको मैंने बोला था कल इसकी तैयारी करके रखिएगा।
मैम अलीना है राइट।
Okay, Jivika, you have written, then send it in the class WhatsApp group. If you have written, then you can send in class WhatsApp group. Jivika, first correct, second wrong, correct, fifth wrong, sixth wrong, seventh wrong, eighth correct. Athar Bhargav, first right, second right, third right, fourth right, fifth right, sixth right, seventh right, and eighth wrong. And in duck, K should be small. Lakhan Sahu, the image is not clear. First wrong, second wrong, third wrong, fourth right, fifth wrong, sixth wrong, seventh right, eighth wrong. Correct the words. Devangshi, first correct, second correct, third correct, fourth correct, fifth correct, sixth correct, seventh correct, eighth wrong. Sanvi.
Ma'am,
It's
ma'am,
not Q. Sanvi, correct the eighth word.
मैम उन्हें कभी पे भेजना है।
हाँ बोलिए अनिरुद्ध जी।
मैम अभी जो आपने हार्ड वर्ड मीनिंग दिया है उसे मैम व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे भेजना है अभी।
हाँ तो फिर मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा कि आपने लिखा है? मुकुंद, आई एम सीइंग यू प्लेइंग। मैं आपको खेलते हुए देख रही हूँ। मुकुंद, आपने काम कर लिया हार्ड वर्ड्स मीनिंग?
मैम अलीना हैज सेंड किया। यस मैम।
ठीक है, आपने भेज दिया व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे?
यस मैम।
ठीक है, मैं भी देख रही, चेक कर रही हूँ।
मैम शिवांश ने भेज दिया। मैम हार्ड वर्ड मीनिंग
अनिरुद्ध का फर्स्ट वर्ड करेक्ट है, सेकंड करेक्ट है, थर्ड करेक्ट है, फोर्थ करेक्ट है, फिफ्थ रॉन्ग है, सिक्स्थ करेक्ट है, सेवेंथ करेक्ट है, एट्थ करेक्ट है। आराध्या भार्गव,
मैम
उन्मुक्त कासिट, हाँ बोलिए कौन है ये मैम?
मैम लखन साहू।
मैम उन्मुक्त म्यूट कर लीजिए अपने आप को। हाँ लखन बोलिए, क्या प्रॉब्लम है? दिखा दो। हाँ उन्मुक्त बोलिए अब आप।
मैम जो आप अभी हार्वर्ड से मीनिंग दिखा रही थी वो लिख रहे थे क्या?
हाँ सब लिखने हैं आपको, लिख करके व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे सेंड करना है। ये टेस्ट है आपका। आपको कल मैंने मीनिंग्स भेज दिए थे, इसलिए भेजे थे कि आप उसको याद करके रखिएगा, तभी तो आप लिख पाएंगे। उन्मुक्त कासिट, ऑल करेक्ट।
मैम हार्ड वर्ड मीनिंग
दिखा दूं? अच्छा एक मिनट, ये देखिए, जल्दी लिखिए। शिवांश, लास्ट वर्ड रॉन्ग, पेंगुइन रॉन्ग, कुशाग्र करेक्ट, सेकंड रॉन्ग, third correct, fourth correct, fifth wrong, sixth correct, seventh correct, eighth correct. Yes, I can see you all. Be fast to complete.
मैंने भेज दिया।
इनमें राइटिंग सुधारिए। ये ऐसी गंदी राइटिंग मैं दोबारा चेक नहीं करूंगी। It's not legible, so you have to improve your writing. Understood?
Yes.
Because I cannot differentiate between A and U. Both are looking one or the same. In the manner, look at the word manner. MANNER, and it's looking like MUNNER. So just correct it. Alina. Very good. Very good, Alina. Excellent. Yes. Only 3 students have sent the work. 4. JVK, I can see.
मैम मैम आपने अभ्युदय का चेक कर लिया है?
क्या अभ्युदय का चेक करूं मैं?
मैम जो अभी व्हाट्सएप पे भेजा है।
हाँ, अभी मैं चेक कर रही हूँ। आपने तो हार्ड वर्ड्स के मीनिंग पहले लिखे हैं। मैंने तो अभी मीनिंग्स तो बाद में भेजे थे।
मैम
इसका मतलब आपने
मैम
क्लास
गलती
में
से
नहीं
2 बार
लिखा,
सेंड हो
क्लास में
गया।
लिखने के लिए बोला गया।
मैम गलती से 2 बार सेंड हो गया है। मैम हमने भेज दी। मैम गलती से 2 बार सेंड हो गया था, सॉरी मैम।
Anish, correct in the third sentence, correct small. No, it's what is the word? Funny. Okay, funny. Smile. Correct the word SMILE. Smile. And laugh. Correct the spelling of word smile and laugh.
मैम जीविका
Anish Yadav.
मैम जीविका हैज सेंड हो गया।
I can see Jivika's work. Just I'm looking.
मैम यू कैन सी माय वर्क। कैन यू सी माय वर्क मैम?
Yes, I saw everybody's work till now. Okay, now the next work. Unmukt Kasat, I haven't received your word meanings. The student, those who have sent the word meanings for the next word, write the opposite of. You have to write the opposite of. Be fast to write the opposite of. Write the opposite of. Hardika, I haven't received your work. Write the opposite of, everybody. You haven't said the hard words.
लिखो।
आंसर ही लिखने हैं ना उनके अपोजिट की।
हाँ, आंसर लिखने हैं, सबके आंसर लिखने हैं बेटा, सबके आंसर्स लिखने हैं आपको। क्वेश्चंस किसी के नहीं लिखने हैं, सीधे सीधे आंसर लिख करके भेजते जाइए। पूर्ति, आपका काम नहीं आ रहा है।
मैम हमारा मोबाइल खराब है, मैं और किसी के मोबाइल से ज्वाइन कर रही हूँ।
ठीक है। Okay, correct, Hardika. Now write the opposites. Be fast. Chinmay, you have to write in beautiful writing. Legible. The writing should be legible. Be fast. Okay. हाँ.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
I can send it.
Yes, I saw. Yes, Anish Roy, it's all correct. Very good, Anish. Alina, very good. All correct. Very good, Alina. Excellent. Clap for yourself. Okay. Sanvi, third wrong. Correct the third one. Okay, Sanvi. Sanvi. Sanvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct the third word. Okay. Opposite, in opposite third. Just correct the third one. Mohitanshini, you also correct the third one. Second one also. Spelling of four. Spelling also wrong. Fifth spelling is also wrong. Yes. No. Unmukt Kaset, second wrong. Yes. Second one wrong. Unmukt Kaset, correct the second one. Six and one many. Okay, all none like this, like and like this. Yes. Kushagra, all correct.
Ma'am, I can send
Uh,
it.
Avyuddin, correct the spelling of serious. Correct the spelling of serious.
Ma'am, I have sent Hardika Vastri.
Yes, I'm seeing yours only. Yes. Yes. No, yes, correct. Devangshi, very good. Yes, Unmukt Kaset, very good.
Ma'am, I sent.
Yes, Utkarsh Chokse, fourth one. Shivansh, I can say. Yes, correct. Now he has improved a little bit. Chinmay, there is an improvement. Very good.
मैंने actually send कर दिया.
Happy, sad, funny, serious. Okay. Happy opposite is sad. Chinmay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it's correct. Happy and sad. Kavyuddin, very good. Stand. All. One and many. Who is that? Mohitanshini. Second one is wrong. Third one is also wrong. Fourth spelling correct. The spelling bit. Just check in your WhatsApp group. Check Kavyuddin's work. He has written correct. Check Kavyuddin's work. Sit and stand. One. If you have done the revision and if you have gone through your work, which I have taught you during your WhatsApp group, then you might be knowing. आप लोगों ने अगर अपना रिविजन अपना क्लास वर्क देखा है और आपने क्लास वर्क का काम किया है तो आप ये बहुत अच्छे से काम कर सकते हैं।
मैम जो भी आप देखी हो मैंने पूरा किया है मेरे बुक में।
वेरी गुड, ओके। हाँ,
जो भी
अब मैं 5 स्टूडेंट्स से इस पोम का मीनिंग पूछूंगी। सबसे पहला बच्चा है मुकुंद। मुकुंद, एक्सप्लेन मी द मीनिंग। वन पैरा, फर्स्ट पैरा, एक्सप्लेन इन हिंदी।
ना
Things said the robin, things said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Explain its meaning.
ओके मैम।
Who can explain? Just raise your hand. Okay, Anish Yadav. Let Anish Yadav explain first. Yes, Anish.
देखते हैं गार्डन में बैठकर और बातें करते एक दिन।
थिंक का मतलब क्या होगा?
सोचना।
सोचो। कौन कह रहा है? रॉबिन। और दूसरा कौन कह रहा है? जे। कहाँ बैठे हैं दोनों?
गार्डन में।
गार्डन में। और क्या कर रहे हैं वो?
एक दिन बात कर रहे थे।
बात कर रहे थे। फिर think about the people the way they, Alina, this is paragraph. Think about the people the way they grow, they don't.
They don't have feathers at all, you know. सोचो कि पीपल के पंख उगते भी नहीं।
पीपल मतलब
मैम लोग।
हाँ, लोग कैसे बढ़ते हैं?
यस मैम। और उनके फीदर्स भी नहीं होते। और
फेदर्स मतलब
यस मैम।
फेदर्स मतलब
होता है पंख।
उनके पंख भी नहीं है। ठीक है, हाँ। चलिए, और नेक्स्ट उसके बाद फिर रुक जाइए अलीना। नेक्स्ट, यस चिन्मय, नेक्स्ट।
वो कीड़े मकोड़े नहीं खाते और वो
हाँ,
उनके पंख नहीं होते।
हाँ।
सोचो
वायर्स पे और चीजों पर बैठना। अच्छा,
वो चीजों पर बैठते नहीं हमारे जैसे।
ये डोंट लाइक मतलब
वो पसंद नहीं करते।
हाँ, कहाँ बैठना?
वायर्स एंड थिंग्स।
वायर्स और थिंग्स मतलब चीजों पर। ओके, हाँ। अब लास्ट वाला कौन बताएगा?
मैम जीविका।
जीविका।
मैम मोहितांशनी।
बोलो।
थिंग्स एट द रॉबिन, थिंग्स एट द जय, मतलब वो बातें कर रहे थे और एंड पीपल
बात नहीं कर रहे थे, सोच रहे कह रहा है रॉबिन, सोचो कह रहा है जे कि जो लोग हैं वो कैसे हैं? बड़े
वेरी फनी।
फनी मतलब
लोग बहुत फनी है। टू बी दैट
क्यों वो लोगों को फनी क्यों लग रहे हैं?
क्योंकि वो उनके जैसे
बर्ड्स को हम फनी क्यों लग रहे हैं?
क्योंकि वो अपने जैसे नहीं है।
क्योंकि हम उनके जैसे नहीं हैं।
हाँ, हम उनके जैसे नहीं।
ठीक है, बर्ड्स को हम फनी क्यों लगते? क्योंकि हम उनके जैसे नहीं है, है ना? हम बर्ड्स के जैसे नहीं, इसीलिए उनको हम क्या लग रहे हैं? फनी लग रहे हैं। ठीक है, अब इस क्लास को, इस वाले एक्सपोम को दोबारा से एक्सप्लेन करना पड़ेगा कल सबको, और कल मैं आपको क्वेश्चन आंसर्स वाला क्वेश्चन करवाऊंगी। आप बिल्कुल तैयार रखिएगा लिखने के लिए। Dictation. After dictation, you have to learn the question answers. Shanti.
Birds came.
Yes, birds talk only.
Ma'am.
Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Sai Ram.
Saira.
Sai Ram.
Saira.